Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to the Christmas Crafts 2019 YouTube Hop, hosted by Sandy Nagel from Decorate Your Life and yours truly. We have gathered an amazing list of designers who will share their holiday crafts. They'll also be giving away fun prizes on each of their channels. Plus, I'm very pleased to announce our two sponsors. The first is J&S Hobbies and Crafts. If you haven't had a chance to go to their site, please do so. They are one-stop shopping for all your crafting needs.
They have generously donated a Big Shot Plus, which has an estimated retail value of $199.
Our second sponsor is Art Institute Glitter. They are the makers of the fabulous Art Glitter Glue.
They have generously donated a $50 credit to their retail online store, artglitter.com.
Also, when you use the code at the bottom of the screen, Christmas Hop 15, once again that's Christmas Hop 15, you will receive a 15% discount on any purchase made between today and December 25th. I will also be giving away a prize on my channel, which is a $25 gift certificate also to JS Hobbies and Crafts. However, you have to watch until the end of the video to see how you can win. In order to qualify for the channel giveaways and the two grand prizes, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. resident, and you must like, comment, and subscribe to all of the channels featured in this hop. For my project, I created a shabby chic pink Christmas Advent tree. I used a digital file from Lori Whitlock, and I will be sure to include a link in the description box below. I had so much fun creating this, and as you can see, it is packed full of fun goodies, and in every nook and cranny there is something special. I use this paper collection by Craft Smart. It's called Sugar and Sparkle, and I purchased this at Michael's this year. This Christmas tree measures 17 inches from the top to the bottom and 8 inches at the widest base. There are 26 boxes. There are 25 boxes for each of the days leading up to Christmas, and then we have this larger box here. All of the boxes measure 2 inches by 2 inches, and then this top box here I have purely for decorative purposes, and I made it slightly larger. On the top, we have this beautiful white sparkly star. We have beautiful lace trim flowers with this pearl detail. I used a lot of this throughout the Christmas tree. We've got beautiful light pink roses. These numbers I cut out in Cricut Design Space, and I used a flat matte gold foil, and I used a scallop punch to create the background. Each of these boxes have a little notch to make it easy to open up. And right now I don't have any items inside, but you can fill it with anything that you like, candy or a small gift. It's a fairly ample size. And these just close back like so. Here I have a pink bottle brush miniature tree, and I have a larger one over here. We have these beautiful white roses that have diamond dust glittered on top. More of these beautiful pink roses, lots of glittered snowflakes. On the bottom we have this buck in white glitter. I have him on the bottom. We have these fun Christmas tree ornaments in white, and I just thought this was so beautiful and feminine, and I love the way the numbers turned out. Here we have more pink roses with this beautiful pearl circle. We have another deer here and another pink Christmas tree. I just think this is so much fun, and it really is a statement piece. This will look lovely on a dining room table or in your living room, on a coffee table, or even on a fireplace mantle. I did not do a tutorial for this project. However, I will be making another one of these Advent trees using the traditional Christmas colors, and we'll do a full tutorial at that time. Let me turn this around and give you another detailed look. There's so much to look at. I love that little buck there. Here's that larger pink Christmas tree that's been frosted with snow. And these are mini Christmas tree ornaments that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I simply took off the bale and then glued it down here. We have this beautiful large pink chiffon flower here with the pink rhinestone in the center. This concludes my review of my Shabby Chic pink Advent Christmas tree. Before I let you go, I want to tell you how you can win my $25 online gift card to J&S Hobbies and Crafts. In the comment section, you must say the words, "Merry Christmas, Sir Chauncey Rocco." Once again, in the comment section, you must say, "Merry Christmas, Sir Chauncey Rocco." Please be sure to check out the next person in line for our Christmas craft YouTube hop, which is Poet Spice. Please be sure to join us on Saturday, November 23rd, when we announce the winners for each of the channels, as well as our 2 grand prize giveaways. Thank you so much for joining me. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please be sure to leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload new videos. I want to wish you and your family a very happy and safe Thanksgiving and Christmas. Bye for now, and happy crafting.